This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis. Thursday, February 15th, we do have a news catalyst, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard, daily affirmation. I see it and understand rigid discipline and rules. Flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. On the left, NASDAQ, middle, S&P 500, E-mini, and we've got the dollar. So the dollar's on day two. Notice we've got a bit of a gap here. We'll see how this plays out or if the gap fills, but I'm noting that, and that blue line here where it's sitting on is the 3 EMA. Conversely, the equity indices are all poking above the 3 EMA blue line, and you can see the NASDAQ is almost to where we were on the sell-off a couple of days ago. We haven't hit the news yet, it's upcoming, and then we have the RTH AM. I'm neutral here, I'm not bullish, I'm not bearish. I'm just looking for a setup and to be done with it. Sometimes Thursdays can be a bit of a reversal. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm going to keep my eye on the dollar. Let's go to the ES smaller time frame and look at the levels. Next chart. 15-minute benchmark on the ES S&P 500. You can see right here we're front running from the close of prior day before we opened the new day Thursday. 502250 right here. So we have had Globex touch in Asia this 1 hour fair value gap. So the top of that gap is 5013 and change, and the bottom of it is 5,000. In the middle of that, the consequent encroachment is 5,006.75. So that's a level that I'm going to watch to see if we reprice this fair value gap, and if we don't, that means we could go back up here to the new week open gap, which is 5042, 5043, and above here right now is a 4-hour fair value gap I've got, and the consequent encroachment of that is 5030. You can see we almost reached that here in the London silver bullet. The London open was 5024, New York midnight open 5017.50. So these are the major levels that I'm looking at the minimum here with the news and the open. Maybe for the first hour, I'd say a safe retracement would be below the London. Maybe we get into a prior week all-time high, which was 5020. And from there, we might go and tag the New York midnight open. But right now, it's just in a consolidated zone, and I'm really hesitant to do anything until after the silver bullet in the AM, which is that 10 to 11 AM Eastern Standard time zone. So time is just as important to me as price on the setup coming up. But this is the levels I'm watching, and it's highly consolidated since London, and you can see here lots of candles, but it doesn't want to go below 2250. Thanks for watching. Shout out to the OG subscribers. Welcome all 2024 subscribers. Aloha. Take care. Bye.